Welcome to this Excel tip. At times in the company, it's easier to embed all files into one document than have multiple documents spread across the network. So here we have a presentation that's going to take place in the company, and we have the order of presenters. So I'm going to embed the presentation files for each person into this Excel sheet. So what you do is you go onto the Insert tab, and on the way right hand side under the text group, you click on the Object button. That allows you to embed objects. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create from file because I already have the files. So for Matthew, I browse and go and take his presentation file, which is a Word document. So Matthew V, and let me even open up the preview pane a little so you can see that it's a Word document that contains staff assessment. And once I embed it, I want to display it as an icon. And you have the ability to change the icon which is displayed. I'm going to keep the default for now. So we insert this, and here we are. This is the inserted document which is now embedded into Excel. Let's do the same for William Y. We go into the Insert tab, then we click on Object, create from File, Browse, and we pick his presentation file. Let's display an icon. Let's change his icon to something else. Let's change to a standard Microsoft Word icon. It's a bit different. And there we are. We have that document inserted. So we can do this for PowerPoint files, Excel, other Excel workbooks. And what this allows that when Matthew's presentation is up, I can actually double click on his embedded document, and this embedded document will open up, which will allow me to edit or have him present it. Now this is a copy of what's on the system. So I can actually take this Excel sheet and put in a flash drive and take it away, and still these embedded documents will open up and I'll be able to access each one of them. I can also go to embed object and actually create a new object. Let's say for Abigail, I wanted to create an Excel file, or better still, let me create a PowerPoint slide for her, and let me display it as an icon. Click on open. A PowerPoint document opens up and it embeds itself directly into this Excel document. So this Excel file will become larger because it contains multiple documents within it. And if I double click this icon, PowerPoint will open up embedded inside Excel, which will allow me to edit the PowerPoint right here in Excel, and I'll be able to create Abigail's PowerPoint slide. So this is how to embed documents into a Microsoft Excel file. Thank you. Try it out and let me know how it goes.